Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to be crocheting this little crocheted flower. So let's get started. I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. Start with a slip knot, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join and form a ring. Carry this yarn end along the outside of the ring. Chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Single crochet in the ring. Repeat to make 6 loops in the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Single crochet in the ring. And I'm still carrying that yarn end along the outside of the ring. Repeat to make a total of 6 loops in the ring. Okay, I have made 6 loops in the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the next loop, make 12 single crochet. Make a single crochet, insert the hook through, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through both loops on the hook. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 12 single crochet in the loop. Slip stitch in that single crochet. Repeat all the way around. 12 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Slip stitch in the single crochet. Like that, and you repeat all the way around. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've worked all 6 petals and fasten off. And this is the yarn end that we worked around in the center. Now you can pull that yarn end and close up the center of the flower and tie the 2 ends together. Now you can either hot glue or sew a pearl in each of the petals and a button in the center, and you'll have a pretty crocheted flower. And if you'd like to use your flower as a barrette, you can hot glue. You can hot glue one of these on the back of your flower, and then hot glue a bit of felt on each side. Or to make a brooch, cut a slit in a piece of felt, pass a large safety pin through, and hot glue that on the back of your flower. And that's it. That's how easy it is to crochet this little flower that can be attached to hats or scarves or used as a brooch or a barrette. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.